Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will discuss work from home jobs. If you're looking to know the fastest ways to make money online, then you've clicked on the right video, my friend. Here's where we lock and get loaded. So let's get started. Affiliate program. An affiliate program or affiliate marketing is becoming a new and very popular way to get some dough on the internet. Reliably, its existence has gone far beyond horizons, yet it continues to make strategies in getting cash online. The only requirement for you is to exhibit licenses to bring in cash by advertising various brands. Suppose you're a savvy promoter to most brands. In that case, you can obtain a commission from propelling and boosting the retailers, programmers, and online applications. That is how just a hint of something becomes larger. While getting a commission may seem, by all accounts, to be pretty much nothing to many, recall that you can be an accomplice for a long while and consolidate a couple of parts to make an affiliate program. Dropshipping. From the news on Google Trends, outsourcing's ubiquity or dropshipping is quickly developing, featuring the suitability as an approach to grab cash online. When there are instances of misfortune concerning how a business visionary made a huge profit within 8 weeks, or how a vendor made 6 figures selling just a single thing, there's a ton of ways to affirm that by reevaluating a certified technique to acquire money online. But hey, if you're like many and you have no idea what outsourcing is, then let me say that dropshipping is a plan of action where you offer an item to a potential client. However, the provider stores, packages, and ships the item to your clients for your part. An ideal way of bringing in cash from the internet is none other than outsourcing. Most business people have less to zero cash grants from advertisements, like running Facebook advertisements. YouTube channel. If others can get cash from YouTube, everyone can. The most generously compensated YouTuber right now is Ryan, a 7-year-old boy who surveys various toys on his YouTube channel, which made him $22 million in 2018. Another one is Jeffree Star, a beauty guru influencer with a huge number of subscribers, and thus making him the biggest star of YouTubers in the generation. Your YouTube direct content should focus on a singular claim to fame so you can manufacture a society of people who likes your content. For example, you can make challenges, educational activities, movie or PC games, review things, show capacities, make stunts, or whatever else you think can draw in viewers. The way to acquiring cash on YouTube is to make content that people can relate to or get information from. You can make videos that are on trend or viral because users and audiences are at the peak of finding the viral video on YouTube. Through this, you will be able to attract subscribers of your content who will soon want your content as long as you are up to date with the trends. Facebook Ads Manager. These advertisements accompany a front title, a short video portrayal, and an underlined reference line. Talking about page likes, some people are drawn by the number of likes and reactions in your post. Provided that this is true, this is the advertisement type that may be for you. Having more likes implies more individuals want to know about your content and wanting to see your channel on their news feed whenever you post, and possibly want to know about any offers you have going on. Besides, a page-like promotion is upheld on all gadgets, portable included. Among all the promotional strategies you have online, Facebook advertisement is the best way to get in more audience. It only implies an easy way of getting in cash from the advertisements they watch or you placed on your videos. Freelance gigs. Side gigs can help you bringing in cash online while you keep doing your regular work. If you are desperate to earn an extra income, then freelancing is the best way to do so. Freelancing isn't always a smooth ride, but its rewards come in the package of growth. Sometimes, you may get tired of it, or clients reject your work because you are doing it alone. Side gigs are best when you're doing it with passion and dedication to earn money and do things that make you feel alive and want to survive. Deal with a companion or a partner that gives you the time to get things done and helps you manage your daily tasks from doing regular work and freelance work. Online freelance like commission works, designing, trading, and coaching are some of the work you can do. Sell on Amazon. A large number of individuals speedily consider selling their trash like books, DVDs, and CDs. So don't consume your time endeavoring to sell it. Exactly. When you're considering how to get easy cash, revolve around things are critical worth like personal computer, clothing, cell phones, and other stuff. Offer selling comparative things a chance at various stages. For example, you might have a go at selling your thing on Facebook social events and Instagram instead of just one of them. If you sell your stuff everywhere, there's an opportunity to find someone who will buy. Selling on a big platform like Amazon is a great opportunity to find great deals with customers who mostly buy at needs and necessities. Drop your most necessary and valuable things online so they can be correctly given a price. Sell t-shirts. Did you know that in 2017 the richest man in the world wasn't some guy in the field of technology nor automobile, but in the dazzling world of garments? Amancio Ortega, founder of the fast fashion brand Zara, had a net worth of $85 billion, and even today still remains in the top 10 richest in the world. So, if you're looking to make some money online, don't overlook the magic of garments, and maybe you can start by selling t-shirts. Awaken your inner designer. Many sites can help you design t-shirts to create one, like Shopify or Amazon, to help you brand your designer shirt. You can sell your first items on Instagram and get as many followers as you can by getting the peak of interest of people from trends and aesthetic designs of your t-shirts. You would have to keep up with the trends like unusual logos and prints and quotes. Be creative as much as possible. Tie-dye design is trending right now, and maybe you can follow and alter for your own or invent a huge trend. Blog writing. Writing a blog sounds so exciting. But the question lies in how you start it, and lucky you, because I'll be giving you a little rundown on how to start this bad boy. During the initial phase, center around certain catchphrase without eye concentration and keep on looking for alternative ways to get pertinent classes so that you will develop and overwhelm your knowledge. This will allow you to create a wholesome and huge blog after you have done it. It would help if you first established a connection to draw-in readers who will, later on, subscribe to your blog. Blog writing is a tool for every news and trend going on right now. People are looking for reliable authors for reliable sources to get from. There are multiple approaches to bring in cash, and one is publishing content to a blog. You can write many things in your blog as long as you are dedicated to creating content to inspire others. Your blog will be a hit, and many would subscribe to your content even more. Mobile apps. In case you're not a designer, you're likely taking a gander at this lucrative thought and feeling somewhat lost. That's what I'm here for, right? And luckily, there is another way to do this that doesn't need much or any abilities in programming. Nowadays, advertisers are taking a more independent approach to all this just to discover potential talents that can create apps with a purpose. So, how about cash? Well, your smartest option will be adding it to Google Play and App Store for more audience. Either you have or don't have experience in programming. Your idea of making an app that helps people with daily problems is a tool for making an app possible in the market. You can almost make an app nowadays as long as you have the right developer in mind to help you achieve your own game or utility app. You can have a free application to add advertisements or premium content that will assist you in getting cash. Have a simple app. Digital course. To make a famous and acknowledgeable digital course online, your wisest option is to immerse yourself in different seminars everywhere that can inspire you to create one. Then, at that point, check out the feedbacks from them. Then you can either improve what they have taught or devise your own for uniqueness. Make content that makes the audience go crazy over it so that they will want more of you. You can set up your digital course on different social media platforms like podcasts nowadays. And, of course, Income is a no-brainer. You can add advertisements on your digital course if you facilitate on your site, like paying for course advancement or premium privileges. Whether you've chosen to start a YouTube channel or write blogs, it's all up to you. Go where the road takes you, and I'll see you on the other side. That's all for our today's video. Comment down below what you guys think, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe before you go. That's it for me. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.